Isuwing pa sa kanti ko Don Bosco Media Network ko na rumchaksoa, anga Alicia A. Sangma na simang na dalin koborang ko para katinga. Kata bichongrang, AL Hek PM Narendra Modi ni jangi tangani gumendeka siya ko sapak a. Walad Niki Shila tanggabong hajal sopunga kudak chaka. National jingjingata ni ko engineerang aro power sector ro kampain parang takanga. Sige pa koborang BJP ni Dilgapa, Arupuntor Mukra ni MLA Shri AL Hek, Prime Minister Narendra Modi ni jangi tangani gaman, Modi at rate kulgruk engapa kitab ko tariyaha. Ya kitab uni political songriyani ko aga nangaha. Ya kitab o PM Narendra Modi ni hajal ganisa o Gujarat ni Chief Minister Mutungoni, hajal ni Chibri o Prime Minister Ungauna, Arudaauna, uni asung ko chalayani songriyani ko rangko seha. Sunil Arora CEO Aro Health Sevak yani kitab ni gaman aga nangaha arya kitab ko tari na dakcha kaparang ni gaman bawa aga nangaha.
Dream is a planning. When we are dreaming, then we are planning out what we are going to take it, what we are going to do, what is our future, what is our plan. When we meet, what is our meeting? It's a meeting. When we are we are meeting. When we are meeting, we have our brainstorming. We put all our brains together by meeting everybody. Then only we deliver. When we deliver as said rightly by the speaker, when speaker has spoken today, we reach to the last person, the last mile of a person wherever they are in our country today to deliver the good speeches implementing by our beloved Prime Minister.
Walad Miki Shila jan Joy constituency ni MLA nga watanggagong hajal bonga ko mi mentidu RC Eve Secondary School ni football team jan Sabroto Mukherjee Cup hajal gani kolgr gani ko bilsi chibri ni nungog pa bakra ang parang na dakchakani ko na. Mr. Shila ya even no bakra aru football player rang ko felicitation ka anyo dong paa. Waya bisarang na agan ko patiani ko dakanga aru wamang ko nami dakang China aru chusok ke trophy chere ba China didyanga. Ya event no dongeng pa Burstar Chairman MDC, Shushe GHDC, Reverend Father H. Lamare, Joy Parish Priest, Reverend Father L. Paswet, Assistant Parish Priest, Reverend Father F. Dakar, Joy Diocese Administrator, Mr. A. Pawa, Sony Dalgapa, or Kamakamalga Mandirong A.
Kamu dong ini, debun tu dah lai. Debun tu dah bersama for the lead. Tanggapnya dua job. Rapnya dua one day job. Tak boleh one day rest. Tapi MP the opportunity create history. Create history. Kamu tahu MP tu tam tu. Kau penuh kita tirak di tempat yang pi. Ya kata example genuksa. Kau mesti kan kau mana job pi ini kena dua kau minum kamu tahu. Lani kita yang sembilan pi. Kira dia mensen dia kita courage. Ada yang utai lagi itu kan biang lagi dia.
Engineerang aro power sector ni gemuk kam kha gaparang asung gemuk khujing jengata ni ko ya jani chetari ko asung ni sarkari electricity act hajagini gatham kulok sabha o electricity amendment hajalgini khulgrek ni o pangcha ke tengthang ata ni ko rabat na chanchia ni gaman ongatang ha engineerang aro MECL ni kam kha gaparang ye gemuk district rangon jingjengata ni ko dakang ha aro Shillong headquarter roba kontagni na khamrang ko dongthong e ya bill ko namna ki jani ko misokang ha. Ye Electricity Amendment Bill hajal gini khulgakni chi Electricity Act hajal gini gatham o dingthang ani ko raban na magsung ngachem. Ye dingthang ani chi dingthang power sector rang na neknekani o ginok aro bijoli ko jakhal gapa sakprak na aro kham kha gapa rang na aro engineer rang na ba neknekani o ginok ani pharakatanga ha. Riang pa bill sio Central ni Sarkar United Kisan Morcha na December ni sku thariko Electricity Amendment Bill ko Parliament o business kha gapa rang aro ge game cha gapa rang meng golpo chengi jade raba jawa ani kurachake seo nang hachem endi ba daunan mamang golphani dongkhuja ani pharakatang ha Central ni Sarkari ni dingthanga ni koraba namak sungan yara uni United Kisan Morcha na kurachake se donang gapa ko phea ongaha ani pharakatang ha National Coordination Committee of Electricity and Engineer NCCOEE or All India Power Engineers AIPF ramu molinga chemoba Central ni Sarkari mamang golphani ko ya dingthanga tani koraba namak sung ngani gaman changsaba golpo khuja ani pharakatang ha
the power of the state. And most importantly, my brother and sister, we don't know. There is no mention whatsoever what will happen to the electricity employees of the nation. There's about 27 lakhs and their families. Therefore, to my view, the government did not bother to explain all these facts, and that's why it is a detrimental bill which we must oppose tooth and nail.
Yan dal na Kobor nga nisok pasakanti ko matela.